Om or Amin, the cosmic sound. Subconscious chanting becomes unbroken and automatic. Superconscious chanting results when the deep internal chanting vibrations are converted into realization and are established in the conscious, subconscious, and superconscious minds, holding the attention uninterruptedly on the true cosmic vibration, that is Om or Amin, not on an imaginary sound, is superconscious chanting. When you're passing from one stage of chanting to another, the attitude of mind also should change and become deeper and more concentrated. The aim is to unite chanter, chant, and the process of chanting into one. The mind should enter the deepest conscious state, not unconsciousness or absent mindedness or sleep, but a state of such focused concentration that all thoughts are sunk into and merged with the one central thought, like particles drawn to an irresistible magnet.